Hey friends, welcome back to my channel Where is Brittany? That's me, Brittany, and if you're just tuning in, here's what you've missed. For Memorial Weekend, Andrew and I packed up Domino and we took the dogs out to an event called Descend on La Sierra in California. It's an official Vanlife meetup where vehicle dwellers meet up and just, have a good time. The first day we really hung out around Domino, and while it was hot during the peak times, we stayed inside and watched a little before 90 Day Fiancé, and then later that evening we went out to the barn for live music. The next day I took the dogs out on a really nice walk, and then we went and enjoyed some coffee from a converted Volkswagen bus.
Yeah, see? Okay. Let's go.
And then it was time to give Buddha his morning meds and also entertain Jada because why not?
What, you want a fake go? Alright, fine. Come here. Come here. Can't forget about Jada. Okay, you ready? Where are your eyes at? Hello. Hi. Boop. Boop. Good girl.
I later tried my hand at an intentional vegetarian breakfast and it came out okay, but note to self, stay away from vegan cheese. Hashtag, I don't even know what that was supposed to taste like. I guess vegan cheese don't melt as fast as like other cheese does. We did a workout. And I'm sleepy. I'm tired. I want to take a nap. Because your girl haven't worked out in like over a year and I just need a nap. So that's what's about to happen. Why? Because I can. Ate this, ate that, watched a little bit of this, and now we are here, the last full day of the event.
I love it, please do.
Going to the bath, thank you, Panda.
Absolutely. Love it.
Thank you. And would you like to introduce yourself?
I'm Sarah of Wildflowers Kitchen. I hope you enjoy.
Thank you, thank you.
Gotcha.
Hey friends, you don't like stickers? Nope. You better get those stickers out of my face. If you know, you know. Well, that's cool, because I got you covered. We now have magnets. Check this out. Slap. 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 Domino with the border. Domino as Ladybug. And the newest design, The Adventure Awaits. Check out the website. My link's in the bio. So throughout this event, you might have noticed we rarely interacted with people, and here's why. Social anxiety. We were genuinely nervous, and being completely honest here, we really had to build up the nerves to be around this many people. Since the pandemic started, we've done our part in our minds of social distancing, and it's been over a year since we've been around such a large group. It really took us, dogs included, a minute, or really up until the last full day to fully relax and let our guards down. This event really allowed us to be around like-minded, chill people who gave us our space, but also welcomed us when we decided to be that social butterfly. We really enjoyed ourselves as a unit, and we can't wait until we're able to attend another meetup. Oh my goodness.
We can just down and then cut through instead of walking up over the top of everything.
So we're going to walk down this.
And do you have an alternative? I guess we could do it heated or something.
I don't know. I guess we can walk it. Y'all want to go, children? Jada says yes. Well, I want to let her off the leash.
So the days became weeks, it felt just like the night before.
Well, it seems like she wants to go up, so we go up.
My mind.
She whiz.
When you left, I was so completely gone, but now I'm sure you were some of the best of things to find.
Are we resting?
Would you follow me to wander? If you're everything that matters to me, makes me wonder why I can't get over.
We'll see.
When you look at me this way, I find it hard to not give in.
Wow, this is so pretty. Such a pretty walk, my friends. I wish you guys really could see it, and I hope it's not too like wobbly. This is the ATV track and like dirt bike track that people use. It's crazy, even what we're about to go down. Not too fast. No, Jada. Not too fast. Good girl. Right.
When the stars glow bright, the summer's old. In the misty bright moonlight, I were told. When the storm is raging in your head, when you feel there's nothing more ahead, the hills they seem all green, but they hide all the monsters. You kept holding my hand as you reached for water. On the hills by the lake, you were chasing your dream. And I gave you a rose that you kept on seeing, kept on seeing. It was worth the
Alrighty, my friends, it is officially the last morning of Descend on La Sierra here in California. We are packing up. I'm making coffee. We really only have like a 45-minute drive, and it's about 7 o'clock. I think checkout is at 10. So we're trying to be out of here, no later than 9. It's still about 100 vehicles out here, so you don't want to be like one of the last ones out, but we don't necessarily care to be the first ones out either. We have, you know, nothing really scheduled. And today is technically Memorial Day, the holiday, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this coffee going and then straighten up Dom, make her ready to hit the road. It's not gonna be a clean bus, but it'll be a functional moving bus, a bus that's able to move without stuff flying everywhere. So we are gonna go ahead and get on it and get some caffeine. I didn't want y'all to have to see me today because I look crazy. But we are on our way out. That's Buddha whining. He hates being in the kennel while we're driving. But somebody broke down literally at the exit on the way out the gate. So like broke down at the gate on the way out, and it's only a one-way street. So Andrew just stepped out to see what the deal is. Cause yeah, that's kind of crazy.
What did they say?
Poor guy blew his differential. He was out at the lake yesterday, you know, doing hooligan things. He has a lifted, well, I'm serious, that's what he said he was doing. He said he was trying to do a burnout. And he was drifting in the dirt because his lifted V-dub is 2-wheel drive, not 4, like I said, my mistake. And yeah, I guess as he was just driving out, he heard a little ping, and then yeah, no more differential. So that sucks for him, but hopefully he gets it you know, fixed quick, and it sounds like he's gonna fix it himself, so shouldn't be too terrible, but unfortunate.
But what about us moving?
Well, I mean, they have to move the thing, so 5
Is
minutes.
it a tow?
Oh yeah, oh yeah, yeah, it's absolutely a wrecker. They're it's a flatbed. They're actually pulling it up right now, so 5:10, we'll be on the way. Safety first. They like your bus.
Nice.
And it's left out of here, correct?
I say follow everybody else, honestly.